All right, so people are paying attention now, so I might as well make the little video now. So first of all, you might want to hang up the phone right away because this is actually not an ultralight aircraft, but it uses all the parts of an ultralight aircraft in a different configuration. So here we have the thing. There's a window with a cockpit, and this is an airfoil here. You have a front little tire there, and you have a big airfoil in back. So this is the 6-foot airfoil I'm mentioning, right? And so this would be a smaller than 6-foot airfoil. And there's the back tire, which is on a strut kind of holding it up. So from here to there, that's about 6 feet. So that makes this whole thing about 24 feet long. And I think I said already, it's not an ultralight aircraft. It does not leave the ground. But what we have here is the person is sitting in the front, and you have this little front tire, and then there's the back tire. There's some motor back here, and when you get up to speed, it lifts the whole front off the ground. So what you have here is a kind of a modified motorcycle that's, or you can look at it as an airplane that's propelled with a tire instead of a propeller. So the person is sitting up here. It's 24 feet long. The whole thing is 24 feet long. And you can, it's sort of like driving an airplane. So an airplane's going down the runway and the airplane lifts like this before it takes off. Well, this is a kind of a motorcycle that does that same thing. So you drive like this and you're sitting there, and then at 30 miles an hour or whatever, you have this airfoil here lifting up. And back here, you have the airfoil back here is upside down. So this one's pushing down. The exact placement of the tire, you know, is debatable, would require some experiment, some trial and error. But anyway, so you have this thing that ultimately what's happening is you're cooking over the ground. So you're here, you're 6 feet over the ground, and with a regular motorcycle motor, you can be going 90 miles an hour. 90 miles an hour, 6 feet over the ground. So you're basically, so it's not flying, but it's very much, it sort of creates the illusion of flying. So that's what I'm talking about. So you have the wing, 6-foot span wing turned upside down back here. You have another wing here, and it's a glorified motorcycle, essentially. So you might want to kick me off the page, but that's the idea. That's what I'm talking about. It looks like a lot of fun, and I don't see why it wouldn't work.